Hello everyone, how are you all? Today's pick a card is all about your love life situation. There will be two cards, pile 1 and pile 2. Select one pile and go to the timestamp below and check your reading. In today's reading, we will be just checking the current energies around your love life situation, and we will also see what are the messages that we are getting for your love life. For pile 1, let's see what is the message that is coming up for you. From the tarot deck मुझे ये दिख रहा है कि the love situation is around you. If you are single, then definitely the love life, the partner that you are seeking is around you. But you are not in that situation कि आप अपने आप को fully, you are not in the situation to go on an adventure. Means this love that is coming up for you is full of adventure. It has lot of traveling involved. It has lot of it involves a lot of youthful energy around, and I can also see there is a lot of creativity. I can sense if you are seeking a new partner, I can see that you can find them near the creativity. You will that person will be inspiring you. Their actions, their passion, their creativity will be the main element in the love life situation. Okay, as I can sense, there is also a lover's card in reverse, which basically means that yes, there is a element of air around. I can also sense, because there is a lot of air and fire energy in the reading, I can sense the person that you are seeking can be of air and fire sign. And I can also sense that I'm getting a major message in this reading as well, which says that you are the person who should believe in yourself first, because the frequency that you are vibrating in, you will be attracting the same kind of person. If you are expecting the person to be caring, loving, and have a certain level of boundaries around them, then you should follow the same. If you will have the same level of boundaries, your mirror self will find your way as soon as possible, right? So the main, as I told you, the main thing or the main connectivity that you'll find with your partner is around passion, creativity and inspiration. ठीक है, तो हो सकता है this person will be your friend or upcoming friend, and I can also sense that level of curiosity. I can already see this कि आप दोनों के बीच में ऑलरेडी वो क्यूरियोसिटी स्टार्ट हो सकता है दैट पर्सन इज ऑलरेडी इन योर माइंड, राइट? सो align yourself before you get involved with anyone, because that is how you connect with your partner. That is how you connect with your soulmate, not partner. You connect with your soulmate. So this is from your tarot card deck. Let's see what is the message from the angel cards. Oh, that is a very beautiful card that came up, the Radha Rani and the Clock of Wisdom, which basically means that discover a lost part of yourself first. Means you need to discover yourself. You need to feel good under the skin that you have, right? अगर आप अपने खुद की स्किन पे कंफर्टेबल नहीं रहोगे, आप खुद अलाइन नहीं रहोगे, then what will happen? You will be in not the level of frequency that you actually want to expect yourself to be, right? Because sometime, देखो हम सब जानते हैं कि यू व्हेन ढूंढना छोड़ दो आपको सब मिल जाता है, राइट? इट डज नॉट हैपन लाइक दैट कि आप ढूंढना छोड़ दो. जब ढूंढना छोड़ते हो तो क्या करते हो? यू सरेंडर योर सेल्फ. व्हेन यू सरेंडर योर सेल्फ, यू डिस्कवर न्यू थिंग्स अराउंड यू, राइट? सो दिस Radha Rani simply saying rediscover the lost part of yourself, experience relationship harmony and healing. You need to find the lost part of yourself, right? And the Clock of Wisdom says that you already know the answer you seek. Trust what you know. Means your gut, means this specifically pile 1, they have a very good gut. I can sense that ki you know the answers, whether this person belongs to you or not. And if you are still clinging on the person which is not in the alignment, then you know what to do, right? So this is all from my side for pile 1. Let's hop to pile number 2. Thank you. Hello pile 2, this reading is for you. Let's see what is the message from the tarot deck for pile 2 for their love life situation. Okay, I can see a lot of similarity. Okay. First of all, I can see there's a lot of air and fire sign around in this area. So the person you're seeking for or air or fire sign. Okay, I got some interesting cards in which I can see this ki the term, the cycle of learning and unlearning things is finally over for you. You have learned a lot of things around in your life right now, specifically in your love life situation. Now this is a time where the luck works, right? You need to be more confident and independent about your feeling. जितना आप कॉन्फिडेंट रहेंगे, जितना आप करेजियस रहेंगे अपनी खुद की फीलिंग को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए, वॉट यू वॉन्ट एंड वॉट यू डोंट वॉन्ट, बिकॉज द यूनिवर्स इज लिसनिंग टू यू. अगर आपने अपनी लाइफ में ये बोला कि मुझे ये चाहिए, आप डिल्यूजनल हो रहे हो, कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो और वो एनर्जी थ्रो कर रहे हो यूनिवर्स में, द यूनिवर्स विल गिव यू दैट लेवल ऑफ एनर्जी अराउंड यू. नाउ इट्स अ टाइम फॉर द क्लेमिंग द एनर्जी, for you to claim the energy. If you are in a relationship already, you need to claim the energy that this is what I want and this is what I expect. It's a time for the commitment. It is a time for settlement. अगर आप अभी भी delusional हो रहे हो, चीज़ों को समझ नहीं पा रहे हो, बट समझ नहीं पा रहे हो कि कैसे क्या करना है, तो you have to take decisions because the universe wants you to take decision for yourself. If you are single, then decision in respect to what you want. You have to be clear. अगर आप क्लियर नहीं हैं, वेग हैं, तो यूनिवर्स विल गिव यू समथिंग विच इज एज डिल्यूजनल एज यू आर थिंकिंग, राइट? एंड I can also sense there is a lot of anxiety around. I can also sense कि आपके nightmares आ रहे होंगे lately, या फिर you are not able to overcome the challenges. हो सकता है आप physically fit हो, mentally qualified enough to solve the problem, but mentally you are having that rift, that how can you do that? You're not having that level of confidence. For pile 1, it was more of that they have to align themselves. For you, you're already aligned. You need to be more confident and feel worthy of what you want and what you don't want. देखो, whenever we talk about the love life situation or love partner, it is just a mirror self, right? What you are. Are you delusional? Are you seeking for something which is impractical or which is not exactly the thing that your soul wants, right? For example, if you like traveling, you will manifest traveling, you will think about it and then you'll plan and then you'll go, right? Same happens with your love life situation. If this is a partner that I want to seek, you need to think about it, you need to put the energy around and then move forward. But you need to settle. You need to understand this. Settlement is the key for your love life situation. What's the message from the angel cards for you? Okay, the angel messages are clearly saying that move beyond the limitations. If you're putting any kind of a limitation around you, that is basically हो सकता है आप बहुत डाउटफुल हो रहे हो चीज़ों को कमिटमेंट देने के लिए या फिर कमिटमेंट रिसीव करने के लिए आप इतने अभी यू नॉट इन द पोजिशन टू एक्सेप्ट दैट थिंग, राइट? तो you are protected. The angels in the universe are saying you're protected. The cords are being cut where it is not needed. You just need to move beyond the limitation that is there in your mind, and you already know the answers that you are seeking for. I can also sense this specific pile. Maybe they are quite clear about what they want in their life, their career, their things around, like whatever decision making basically बहुत ही precise हैं लोगों के. बट मुझे ये सबसे ज़्यादा है कि you need to understand कि आपको कहीं ना कहीं पता है कि आपको क्या चाहिए और क्या चीज़ आपको सर्व नहीं कर रही है, right? Elimination is also a thing that you need to do. Maybe certain level of people are putting certain level of thoughts in your mind which is not going with the flow that you actually want in your life. कुछ लोग ऐसे आपको ओके, सो कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि हम किसी के साथ रहते हैं और हमें पता नहीं चलता है कि हाँ ठीक है, हम उनकी बातों में सुन रहे हैं, भले हम एक्सेप्ट करें ना करें वो क्या बोल रहे हैं क्या नहीं बोल रहे हैं, बट हम लोग उस चीज़ को सुन लेते हैं. बट इट इज़ नॉट बेयर लिसनिंग, यू ऑब्जर्व थिंग्स अराउंड. हो सकता है दैट पर्सन इज पेसिमिस्टिक अबाउट देयर लव लाइफ सिचुएशन और द पार्टनर दैट दे आर टॉकिंग समथिंग विच इज़ नॉट गुड इन द रिलेशनशिप. एंड जस्ट बिकॉज आप उसको एक आइडियल थिंग मान के चल रहे हो और उसको समझ रहे हो और देख रहे हो कि उसके साथ ऐसा हो रहा है ऐसा हो रहा है. Everyone has the different life, everyone has a different path, everyone has a different level of understanding of self and the others. So do not picture or absorb the energy of the other person in your life, right? The universe is very clear. You have to move beyond the limitation. You need not to absorb the thing that you're observing in certain relationships, and you know what you need. Trust yourself and move forward. Pile 2, this is all from my side. Thank you so much. Bye.